Hi everyone! Vlog po tayo kasi this is like the first like the intro ng ating review and nagre-ready lang po ang ating nyo. Very wrong ang ating skin right now. I'm sorry. Very wrong ating skin right now. Ang red at nagbabakbak. So nagre-review po tayo. But yeah, we're going somewhere. We're going to buy something. Kasi this needs to get out sa community, sa beauty community ng Philippines. Kasi this is worth it, guys. Try nyo. So, I call this, stay tuned. Kasi this will be very good. Very, very good. Especially sa mga people like us na people who love doing glam makeup. Yung mga Instagram makeup. Yes, ganyan. Nag-ready lang ko kasi my shift just ended. Yes, hello. And yeah. Ate, very wrong. Oh God, ang red ng flak. Yan, di niyo ako nakikita. Ang hubog ng... ang bilog ng mukha. Diet din. Dito na po tayo. Again, very wrong ating face. But whatever. Ito na. Hopefully naka-open pa sila. Kasi 8 na ng gabi. 12-hour duty kasi atin yung ngayon. Very wrong. Very wrong. Pero, here we go. Hopefully meron sila. Close na mga ate nyo. Very wrong. Close na sila. Kainis. But, you know what? Balik na lang tayo bukas. I'm sorry you can't see me. But balik na lang tayo bukas para makagawa tayo ng video. Yes. Hello. Bye. Ayan guys. Hello. Again, very wrong ating skin. Kainis, but yeah, lalabas na tayo. Ayun, nandito na tayo. And 12 hours later, again, balik. Alindog, char. Ayan, still with my cousin. And yeah, di pa ako naligo, but yeah, I came here for a very quick trip. Bilhin lang to. Tas, I'll send him to school. I'll drop him off rather. So, here we are. Ayan, I got it na. We'll make a video later na. So, bilhin na lang tayo ng glue and then we'll head back and drop this bitch off so we can make a video. Oh, whatever. Hi! Oh, this is so awkward.
Hello, bitches.
I feel like mas awkward yung I'm sitting down holding shit, whatever. But I think it's awkward sitting down and I don't know, doing more concentrated things rather than vlogging. Vlogging is like parang more spontaneous din yun. Kaya that is a lot easier than doing this. Kasi as you have seen, I've done a first section, parang mini vlog, and I've started like last night. You've seen that all, but I wanted to vlog me buying the items that I'm about to show you, but ma-attitude kasi si ate and she doesn't want to. So you know what I did? I bought all of them. That's what you do sa mama attitude. But then again, that's their tactic para bumili ka. But I showed the bitch. Don't do that to me. Sure! So, here we go. Ano ba ito that I really want to show you? Ano ba? It's like, what is the anticipation? What is the excitement? What? So here it is. I bought this, Yes, ma'am! Okay, kasi, you know, we all know naman ang Broadway Gems. Ang Broadway Gems is where you can buy cheap wigs, although they're not cheap, 1 plus sila. Basta may wigs sila, mga jewelries, earrings. Actually, 1 fell. Pierce ako actually last week. Or last week, so yeah, whatever. Again, sorry if I keep on looking down. Yung monitor kasi nandito, whatever. So yeah, brief history guys, like 2 to 3 years ago, it was the shit to have the Mink lashes, diba? And it was very hard to look for mga affordable ones. Kasi mga high-end names ang nagkikater lang ng ganun. So it's like Huda, Lily Lashes, like those are the ones that cater Mink lashes. Okay, so it's like it was so hard to look for brands who are affordable and actually caters the fabulous lashes we all want and love. Kasi at that time, it's like all YouTubers, especially sa US, they always use this really thick, really luxurious, really wispy Mink lashes, and we all want them. So today I bring you the affordable Mink lashes of Broadway. This is not yung mga crusty looking lashes that you sometimes see. Hindi ito yung mga cheap kind of lashes that you usually buy. There are some places that you can buy Mink lashes now, especially sa Shopee, ganyan, maraming mga affordable doon. But you have to wait certain amount of days in order for you to receive them. But this, trust me sis, if kailangan mo, if like you're on the go, if like kailangan mo ng I don't know where you're going, pokpok or ano, that you need Mink lashes, nandito na ate. So, and this is one of them. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. There we go. This is one of them. Sayang lang kasi wala siyang names, but wait. Alam ko na. Wait, we'll name them na lang. We'll name them. So, this is as you can see, this is the packaging. Sorry. This is the packaging. It's like all white, very sleek, very cheap. But the lashes look good. Very cheap, very wispy siya guys, if you can see. I'll open it na lang. So yeah, and then this is the back side. And as you can see guys, sorry. This is only 90 pesos. 90 pesos! Ah! Ah! Like, I was so shocked when I saw it. Like, nagpa-pierce kasi ako ng ears, and then I was like, wait, what is this? Like, I did not know Broadway Gems has their own 5D lashes. I was like, shit, I need to buy this. It took me a week before I could buy every style that I could find. But yeah, this is it. And boom, 5D lashes, bitches. Yes, and SRP 90 pesos. Okay, let's open this up na. Ayan, my god, so tagal. So yeah, na buksan ko na ish. Very YouTuber. Okay, whatever. So yes, ganyan lang siya guys. It's like so cardboard and then plastic. So behind yung lashes, is a lash glue. Very simple, very sketchy lash glue. And then of course the lashes itself. Sorry. So yeah, as you can see guys, very thick siya, very fluffy. Very fluffy. Oh my god, I'm just gonna see. Okay. Very fluffy siya guys. Honestly. It's like, hi, hello, how are you? You know what? Let's take it off. Wala siya kasing names. So I'll just name them na lang based on how I see and how I feel sa mga lashes. So this, we will call this Choke Me. Don't question why. Just imagine mo na lang where you will use this and why I name it choke me. I'm sorry. So next lashes we go. Next lashes are this. Okay, this is significantly more shorter than the rest of the lashes that we have right now. So yeah, this is it. Again, same packaging, same everywhere. Okay, so we'll call this Pavirgin. Pavirgin. Kasi very small siya, very sweet, very, you know, very Pavirgin. Again, very fluffy. Very fluffy. And the next is this. Ito. Again, same packaging. Very boring, but you get what you pay for. And we'll call this Booking Success. Yan. Booking Success. Ganyan ang pangalan natin. Medyo may yung pagka-package nila, it's a bit, you know, parang it's not done well, or parang, yan, diba? Ang ganda nito. Parang, binilisan kasi meron yung mga frayed lashes na natanggal. But this one is really good. Like, this one looks really, really nice, you guys. The lashes itself. Oh, I have, hindi ko pa pinakita, but yes, this is it. Yung ating currently opening lashes. So, we'll name this, what will we name this? Mashikep. Why? Because, well, hindi kasi sparse yung mga strand ng hairs, parang nagdidikit-dikit sila, but still very wispy, very virgin. So, Mastikep or Mashikep. And last but not least, we have this design. Again, this is very natural, I feel like. Parang kahit pa-virgin, ganon. But this is more like longer and stuff. So, we'll open it. Name this Bukaka. Cause alam niyo na. Para sa friend nyong magaling, whoosh! Char! Kayo naman. But yes, okay. Ayan. So, after this, I'll just show you a clip or a montage of me wearing all of these lashes, all of the designs. So, keep on watching. Mwah. Ayan, guys! Nandun na nga yung montage, whatever, ng mga lashes that I'm wearing. Definitely, my favorites are yung mga, yung mga wispy ones, yung Masikep, si Bukaka, at si Pavirgin. Like, those are the ones that I actually love. Like, those are my shit. While yung si Booking Success at si Choke Me, yun talaga yung mga pakak na lashes. Like, those are the ones that you use when you're on pageants, especially if you're yung mga Miss Gay, ganyan. Those are the lashes you would want to wear kasi of course you're on stage, you wanna look feminine and all, and yes, yun na guys. Hopefully you like it. And, oh, did I mention na 90 pesos lang siya, 89.75 I think? Yes, yun yung surprise niya. Think about it, guys. Like, that is such a steal. So if you want it, if you want a quick beat, if you want a quick like on-the-go lashes na wispy, like, these are the lashes for you. So what are you waiting for? Get them. You need them. You have to have them. So go na, buy na sa Broadway Gem. So on that note, guys, thank you for watching, thank you for viewing, and hopefully you will click subscribe and give me a like button if you like this video or whatever. So hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.